G'day guys, welcome to a new episode. I hope you guys are all doing well, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I painted my valve covers. It's pretty crazy how it turned out, and I thought I'd give you a little bit of a glimpse, but I didn't ruin too much because in the night time you can see the sparkles so much in these valve covers. So you're going to see how I sprayed it black. I'm going to show you guys how I sanded, how I painted it black, and how I used the silver glitter hairspray. That's right, silver glitter hairspray, because no paint shop wanted to put metal flakes with clear spray, so I had to make do with what I could think of. So I was like, you know what, how about if I just go grab silver hairspray, like flake paint, spray it over the valve cover, then clear coat over it. It might work, and I can't believe it actually works. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a tease right now. Insane how well they turned out. So I'm going to show you guys some clips of how I done it. I'm going to run through how to do it. So I'm going to show you guys the method that I used. Hopefully you guys can try it on your valve covers, and if you guys ever do it, hit me up on my Instagram. So if you guys don't remember, I hydro dipped my valve covers. There's an episode somewhere down the list. When I first did it, it turned out really well, but the heat of the engine like faded out the paint. But right now I'm going to do something else, and I just want to show that I also got this acid bathed as well and cleaned. So look how clean inside the valve cover is. No oil, no coolant with oil, because when I blew the head gasket there was coolant inside the baffles as well, because when I looked in the oil you could see like the green coolant in there. So I got this professionally cleaned out, so this whole engine build is going to be fresh. So right now I'm going to sand it all back to raw metal, and then we're going to go paint it. So I really didn't do the best job sanding this, but it doesn't matter, they're just valve covers, nothing really too important. But what's really shit is when I took these to the engine shop to get clean, look at this. See that? It's a dent. It doesn't really affect it, but it's just annoying that the cover's dent now, so I don't know how they managed to get that dent. Obviously they probably dropped something on it, which really sucks because it's very hard to get these valve covers. And they're expensive, I'm pretty sure, because how often are you going to find RB25 valve covers just laying around? I'm just going to paint these black for now, and I'm going to show you guys how to put the silver flake on. So what you want to do is go to like a $2 shop, grab like one of these like $2 glitter sprays. So this is glitter hairspray, so that means that it's got hairspray in it, so it's very gooey. So don't spray it directly onto the valve. What you want to do is paint the valve cover black, make sure the paint is all wet, and what you do is with this, hover the the silver glitter, spray the glitter hairspray above and let all the flake in the air, so it goes all into the atmosphere, right? So let all the flake just fly and stick to the wet paint. Don't spray directly because you'll get all the hair glue stuck in the paint and it's gonna look shit. Trust me, I've been testing it. So the best way I found is get the paint wet and just hover the glitter hairspray over the wet paint, and it should stick all the metal flakes onto it. So sorry about that. Hopefully this turns out really well, so I'm gonna put you guys in a time lapse. This paint can handle high temperature, so it's gonna be perfect for this job. So we'll do a base coat, come back, spray another layer, then we'll go grab that silver flake, do it in the atmosphere, so that way all the flake hits the wet paint. I've said that like a billion times, so let's get to it. Alright, now that this stupid ant. Alright, now that the second coat is dried, I'm going to spray a third coat, but I'm not going to do a time lapse for the third coat. What I'll do is I'll quickly get it nice and wet. That's what she said. And then we're going to chuck some of this on. So I'll show you guys how to spray this silver flake onto the wet paint. clear coat doesn't ruin the sparkles. I'm hoping it just holds it down. So this is the clear coat that I'm using. So this is also for high temperature, so it's going to protect the paint. So let's find out if it turns out good or not, because I'm so happy with these sparkles. Stupid clear coat has like ruined the bloody sparkles, so I don't suggest it. But you can still see the shine in it, you can still see the sparkles in the black paint. It gives it like a nice, kind of like a silver black color to the valve cover now. What I might do is for the next valve cover, and to this as well, I'm going to quickly spray some clear coat on it, and while the clear coat's wet, grab that silver glitter can and spray over the clear coat, so that way it has the effects on top of it. So I'm going to do that right now. Hopefully you guys can see that. You can see like kind of the sparkles in it. What I'll do is that when it gets dark, I'll grab the flashlight and grab the camera at night. I already said that, but yeah, I'll do that. So what I've done was I sprayed some clear coat, and while the clear coat was wet, quickly grabbed the silver flake and sprayed on top of it. So that worked as well. So if you guys want to try that, give it a shot, because it actually worked. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out, because this black and silver look is going to go with the black and silver theme. Because when it was a solid black color paint, I thought, oh, this is going to look boring. So the silver glitter, for some reason, that can made the black give it a nice silver tinge to the black. So I'm actually really happy with this valve cover right now. That's a pretty sick DIY. What I'm going to do is, it's a long process, especially with filming as well. So I'm going to smash out the other valve cover. I won't bother filming that because I pretty much showed you guys how to do it on this. And then once I finish that, I'll put it onto the head and I'll show you guys the results. Notice the color difference. This is just solid black. This was originally like that, but with this silver glitter spray, for some reason it gave off this nice silver tinge, and as you can tell, this looks really nice, the flat black, but it's pretty boring, whereas this feels more alive. So once the sun hits it, or you put a flashlight on at night, you'll be able to see the sparkles, and I reckon I prefer this a lot more than just the plain black. So I'm really glad that my brain just came up with this idea. I've never seen anyone using silver glitter spray on top of their paint before, and I thought, damn, if no one's gonna make me paint with flake in it, might as well come up with my own idea. I also thought I'd give you guys a bit of a walk around the engine bay, because I've been spending time painting things, freshening up things. I got all new heater hose kits, so I'll show you guys a bit of a walk around. So that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed that custom paint job I did on my valve covers, and as I said a million times, I'm just blown away by how sick they turned out. They look so good. I can't wait to chuck this back into my R33. So the next video you guys are going to see is me with a new turbo on this, new external gate. We're going to chuck it back in my engine bay, then we're going to get some fabrication done. So I'm going to get some cooler pipes made, I'm going to get the screamer pipe made, get a dump pipe made. And I'm going to get a Varex exhaust cannon, because that way you can have it straight piped, or if you know who's around, you can turn it down. Thank you guys so much for the love and support you guys have been showing for the channel. I'm really happy that I've been trying to do weekly uploads, at least once or twice a week now. I've been smashing it out ever since I started rebuilding the R33 and then fixing up the S14. So make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.